What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Union Bank Credit Card Delivery. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung gaano nga ba katagal bago dumating yung Union Bank Credit Card ninyo pagkatapos ninyo mag-apply tapos na-approve. So gaano nga ba katagal bago dumating sa inyo, mga ilang araw or how many days bago dumating sa bahay ninyo. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nyo i-follow up, paano nyo malaman yung status, kung nasaan na siya, kung ano na nangyayari sa Union Bank Credit Card ninyo. Pero bago nyo nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, Union Bank Credit Card Delivery typically takes 5 to 10 working days according to Union Bank of the Philippines. So as you can see dito guys, 5 to 10 working days. Kung gaano katagal, mga ilang araw bago dumating sa bahay ninyo pagkatapos ma-approve yung Union Bank Credit Card application ninyo. As you can see, working days. Hindi po kasama dito guys yung holidays at saka yung weekends sa bilang. So bibilangin nyo lang yung 5 to 10 days na may working days or may office. Hindi kasama yung holidays and weekends as I have just said. Metro Manila deliveries may be faster, while provincial areas might take longer. So of course, sa Metro Manila delivery address, mas mabilis dun guys. Kapag outside Metro Manila, sa province, or di kaya sa Mindanao area, of course, malayo-layo yun. Kaya medyo mas matagal. If the card is not received within 10 days, you should contact their customer service through Union Bank of the Philippines, Rafa Chat Booth. So kapag hindi na guys dumating within 10 days, lumagpas na, umabot na ng 2 linggo, 3 linggo, 1 buwan. So it's time to call Union Bank Customer Service via Rafa Chat Booth. So I don't recommend this guys kasi medyo hindi siya ganun ka-reliable. So I recommend na tumawag na lang kayo diretsyo. I-share ko sa inyo maya-maya yung contact center or hotline number ni Union Bank para malaman yung status ng Union Bank Credit Card Delivery ninyo. Key details regarding delivery. Timeline is 5 to 10 working days as I've just mentioned earlier. Tracking. Check your application status via the Rafa Chat Booth on the Union Bank website. So ngayon, if you have stable internet naman, kasi kanina sinabi ko diba, hindi ganun kaano. Pero kung yung internet connection mo guys is stable, you can go to Union Bank Rafa Chat Booth, which is sa official website ni Union Bank. Punta kayo doon. Tapos makikita nyo agad doon pag pinuntahan nyo yung official website ni Union Bank. May parang bilog doon, tapos click mo lang yun, then pwede na kayo mag-chat. May representative doon si Union Bank na sasagot sa inquiries ninyo. Alternative, if you ordered a virtual card, it can be used for online shopping immediately. So the moment you applied for a Union Bank credit card guys, tapos na-approve, I would like you to know na immediate po magkakaroon kayo ng Union Bank virtual credit card. At yes, pwede nyo na agad gamitin yun for online transactions or online shopping. If you haven't received your card within this time frame or yung 5 to 10 banking days na sinasabi, it is recommended report it to Union Bank. So ngayon guys, let's talk about the Union Bank Contact Center, yung hotline nila, saan kayo tatawag para mag-follow up ng Union Bank Credit Card Delivery status. So as you can see dito guys, for Union Bank Credit Card concerns, call the 24-hour customer service hotline at 02-8841-8600 in Metro Manila. So as you can see guys, itong 02-8841-8600 is para ito sa mga Metro Manila caller. So kahit yung delivery address nyo guys is nasa probinsya, pero nasa Metro Manila kayo, ito yung kailangan yung i-dial. Kasi ito yung, depende kasi yan sa location, no? Yung landline. Hindi siya basta-basta tumatawag na lang kayo dun. Kasi may lugar siya na kailangan i-consider. So kung nasa Metro Manila ka ngayon, yung location mo, natatawag ka, ito yung gagamitin mo or i-dial mong numbers. 02-8841-8600 kasi nasa Metro Manila ka. Ngayon kung nasa outside Metro Manila ka naman, nasa labas ka ng Metro Manila, nasa probinsya, nasa Mindanao, Iloilo, ganyan, nasa kung saan man. For toll-free calls outside Metro Manila, use 1-800-1888-2077 via PLDT. Uulitin ko, 1-800-1888-2277 using PLDT landline. Hindi kasi kayo guys makakatawag kapag ginamit ninyo tong 02-8841-8600 kasi para ito sa Metro Manila. Ngayon, since nasa province kayo using your PLDT landline, ito yung gagamitin nyo, 1800-1888-2277. Or the Universal International Toll-Free Number. So kung outside Philippines ka naman, nasa ibang bansa ka. So yun lang problema kasi nasa ibang bansa ka. So yung credit card mo guys is kapag di dumating sa address, kasi pwede rin naman kapag dumating talaga sa address, at least kahit paano makukuha nyo basta may valid ID kayo doon na naiwan sa bahay. So like for example, nasa sayo yung credit card nyo sa Union Bank, tapos may concern lang talaga kayo, hawak-hawak mo na. So yung tatawagan mo guys dito sa Philippines, kasi yung may international access code kasi yan eh, bago kayo makakonect. So yun nga lang, yung long distance call siya, so may kamahalan. Plus 800-8277-2273. Yun yung kailangan yung i-dial. For Platinum cards, call 632-8631-7528. So ngayon, kapag Platinum yung credit card mo sa Union Bank, ito yung tatawagan mo. Plus 632-8631-7528. Ito guys, nais ko na lang din i-share to raise awareness about Union Bank credit card delivery. So make sure lang guys na nang-apply kayo ng Union Bank credit card, yung nilagay yung mobile number is active talaga siya. At the same time, yung email address. Kasi doon kayo makaka-receive lahat ng notifications about your Union Bank credit card delivery. About the status, if for pick up na ba siya, kung ano yung dahilan, tatawagan kayo or ite-text kung bakit na-return to sender yung Union Bank credit card ninyo or nag-failed yung Union Bank credit card delivery. Ipapalam sa inyo guys kung dispatch na siya for delivery para at least maging aware kayo at makapag-prepare kayo dun sa address or sa delivery address ng Union Bank credit card ninyo. Kaya naman kailangan guys yung mobile number kung ano yung ginamit nyo nung nag-apply. Dapat active talaga siya at ginagamit ninyo para ma-receive nyo lahat ng updates. Kasi hindi lang sa delivery guys, like for example, dumating na yung credit card, nakuha nyo since okay. Yung future promos na i-offer ni Union Bank sa credit card mo is doon ipapadala. Like for example, nag-o-offer sila minsan ng mga cashbacks, nag-o-offer sila minsan ng free cashback, alam mo yun, vouchers. Doon lahat ipapadala sa registered Union Bank mobile number. Kaya naman para maging aware kayo, make sure na ingatan ninyo yung registered mobile number. Kung nawala or nagka-problema, nasira, make sure na tumawag kayo sa Metrobank Contact Center para magpa-update ng details ninyo. Para at least lahat ng promos, lahat ng updates sa Union Bank credit card ninyo is marireceive nyo talaga. At saka yun guys, take note lang na kapag may Union Bank credit card kayo, ingatan nyo yung details, yung card number, expiry date, CVV kasi confidential yan. Those details must be kept to yourself para iwas unauthorized transactions sa Union Bank credit card ninyo. Yun lamang guys, sana may na-share ako. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!